this is playing cards. In the playing cards, we have four major shapes. One is heart, which is red in color, diamond, which is also red in color, and this is a spade card, which is black in color, and the club card, which is also black in color. Total number of cards what we have is 52. In the heart card, we have cards A, 2, 3, 4 till 10, and we have three face cards, namely king, queen and jack. So in the heart card, we can see there are 13 cards. So 13 red heart cards. And the diamond card also comes in red color, and in diamond also we have ace card and number cards from 2 to 10 and king, queen and jack. So the total number of cards in the diamond is also 13. And if we take the spade card, the spade is black in color, and we have ace card and from number 2 to 10 and the face cards, namely king, queen and jack. So total number of cards in spade, which is black in color, it's 13. Again, last card is the club card, which is black in color, and we have ace card and the number cards from 2 to 10 and the face cards, namely K, Q and J. So 13 cards. So each set has 13 cards, and totally there are 4 sets. So total number of cards, so 13 plus 13 plus 13 plus 13 will give us 52 cards. So there are 52 cards. In 52 cards, 26 cards are red cards, that is diamond 13 and heart 13, and 26 cards are black cards, that is spade 13 and the club 13. And K, Q and J are called as face cards because they have face of king, queen and jack on the cards. And A card is called as ace cards. So total number of ace cards are 4 ace cards. In that we have 2 red ace cards and 2 black ace cards. And face cards, totally if we see, there are 12 face cards. In 12 face cards we have 6 red face cards and black 6 face cards. So this is the structure of the playing cards, and it's very important to understand the problem. So total number of cards is 52. So this is the structure of the card which I have already discussed. So let us summarize this. So total number of cards are 52. So the total number of cards are 52. In that 26 are red cards, so which includes diamond and heart, and 26 are the black cards, which include club and spade. So total number of 52 cards are divided into 26 red cards and 26 black cards. In 26 red cards, so 13 cards are heart and 13 cards are diamond. So these are the 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. And the total number of red cards are 26. In black cards, the 26 cards are divided into 13 spade and 13 club. So we can see there are 13 spade cards and 13 club cards, and total number of cards are, black cards are 26. Total number of cards, so that is 26 plus 26, 52. Okay, now let us see about the face cards. So the face cards are king, queen and jack. So we can see here there are 12 face cards. The 12 face cards are divided into 6 red face cards and 6 black face cards. So these are the 6 red face cards and these are the 6 black face cards. In the 6 red face cards, 3 face cards are heart and 3 face cards are diamond. In same way, in 6 black face cards, 3 are spade and 3 are diamond. So the total number of face cards are divided into 6 red face cards and 6 black face cards. In 6 red, 3 are heart and 3 are diamond. In 6 black face card, 3 are spade and 3 are club. Now the A cards are called as ace cards. So there are totally 4 ace cards. In 4 ace cards, 2 are red in color and 2 are black in color. In the red face card, 1 is heart and 1 is diamond. In black face card, 1 is spade and 1 is club. So the total number of face cards are 4, in which 2 are red face cards and 2 are black face cards. And in 2 red face card, 1 is heart and 1 is diamond. In 2 black face card, 1 is spade and 1 is club. So this is question number 15 from exercise 15.1 from the chapter probability. So this question is based on playing cards. So it is said that one card is drawn from the well-shuffled deck of 52 cards, and we have to find the probability of getting the king of red color. So king of red color, we get 2 cards because one red color card from the diamond and one king red color card from the heart. So there are 2 cards what we get here. So it is 2 by 52. Total number of cards are 52. So the probability of getting the red card. So probability of getting red card is equal to 1 by 26. So next they are asking you to find the probability of getting the face card. So we can write probability of getting the face card. So there are 12 face cards. Total number of face cards are 12. So it is 12 divided by 52. So that is equal to, so it goes in 3 table. So it is 3 by 13. So 3 by 13. It goes in 4 table. 4 3s are 4 13s are. So probability of getting face card is total number of face cards are 12 divided by total number of cards. So that is 52. So next, what is the probability of getting red face card? So probability of getting red face cards. So in 12 face cards, 6 are red face cards and 6 are black face cards. So there are 6 red face cards out of total 52 cards. So 3 are diamond and 3 are heart. So it is equal to, this goes in 3 table. So it goes in 2 tables. So 2 3s are, so 2 2s are and 2 6s are. It is 3 by 26. Next is, what is the probability of getting jack of hearts? So you should get heart, in heart card jack. In heart card there is only one jack. So it is 1 by 52. So in the heart card there is only one jack, one queen and one heart. So one jack, queen and king. So it is, jack is only 1. So 1 by 52 is the probability of getting jack of hearts. Next they are asking you what is the probability of getting the spade cards. So probability of getting the spade card is equal to, there are total number of 13 spade cards. Spade cards are black in color. So there are total 13 spade cards. So it is 13 by 52. So 13 by 52 is getting the probability of getting face cards. So spade cards. Spade are 13, diamond cards are 13, heart cards are also 13, club cards are also 13. So it goes in 13 tables. So 13 ones are, 13 fours are. So next it is asked what is the probability of getting queen of diamond. So in the diamond cards we get only one queen card. So it is 1 by 52. So these are the probability questions which is based on the layout of these cards what we have studied. So if we know the layout, it is easy to solve such problems. Thank you.